So guys, welcome back to my channel. This is our EURUSD analysis. If you can see it has touched the three trend line on the upper trend line. This is the down trend line. So right now we are still looking at the market. The market has not shown if it's going to a bullish side or a bearish side here. But for now, we want to catch a quick sell on this end pattern here. To catch a quick sell on this end pattern. Meanwhile, there is a new there is a strong resistance level here that we need to wait for. If the market can break above that strong resistance level from this place, break above it and retest, then we'll look for a good opportunity, maybe for 5 minutes, then we'll look for a bullish trade. So, checking from the 4 hours time frame, we can see that the market is still respecting the trend line. From the 4 hours time frame, the market is still respecting the trend line. And if you also check from the downtrend line also, you will see another trend line is being formed, which is touch 1, touch 2, we're expecting touch 3 to form somewhere around here, which is even when we do our Fibonacci level, when we take our Fibonacci, we will still get our 50 to 60 Fibonacci level around this area. That is our TP1, because we are just looking for a quick sell. We are not yet confirmed if the market is going bullish or a bearish yet. We are just following the market to see what the market will give us. That's all. We are just following the market. We are not forcing the trade at all, or that thinking this is what the market should do. No. So that's why I gave a bullish bias and a bearish bias. If the market break above this strong resistance level, we will look for a retest on maybe 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. We'll enter a good confirmation there. Then we'll look for we'll let it rally up to the upside, which will give us around maybe 100 pips or so. Then, but for now, the market is still came back into this trend line, consolidating into that trend line. So we expect the market to come down to this Fibonacci level, because that's why we have two buyers, a bullish bias and a bearish bias. So we just have to wait and let the market see what the market gives to us. Our next, because I've already made some analysis. The market all the market has different things. So we just have to just be focused. Our two trades for this week is EURUSD and AUDJPY. That's our two trades for this week. So we're starting from the monthly time frame on the AUDJPY. So as you can see, the AUDJPY has touched the highest point of this resistance level from the monthly time frame, and it has retested back, breaking all the whole confirmation of the market to still be on the upside. So we are not more looking for anything upside on this. If the market move on the upside here, it's just retracing. I don't think buyers are staying in this market. So any movement that is to the upside is just retracement. Our target here is here. So that is just from the monthly time. From the monthly time frame, we already know what we are looking for. So we'll go to the weekly time frame to see what we have on our weekly time frame. So on our weekly time frame, we discover that on our weekly time frame, the trend line we drew from the monthly time frame, on the weekly time frame, it broke through the monthly time frame trend line. So we drew another trend line from that weekly time frame also. We also saw that it's still on the upper trend line, which this market has already broken down to. Then we entered back to the daily trend line, where the daily time frame, we still saw the market respecting all the trend line, all the touches on the trend line, still broke below that trend, the weekly trend line. We retest on that zone that we are still looking at, that zone which is around 96,500. a psychological level. We test on those zones. So we are expecting the market to either break above that zone and retest for a bullish sign, or come back here, break above, break below it, retest, then rally down for the bearish movement. So that is just what we have on EURUSD. While we've seen it from the monthly, the weekly, and the daily, we know what we want to do on this market. We know what we should be expecting on this market. So we just have to wait for the market to give us what we want. And for it to be very confirmed that, okay, with the bully, now the buyers are in the market, we just have to allow the market to break through this monthly trend line for a nice confirmation that yes, this market now is on a buy. To break it, we know that yes, this market is on a buy. And what we just have to just do is just to set our stop loss below here, if that is what we want to do. Then if we are checking on the bearish side also, we have to allow the market to break the weekly time frame, retest it, then we will enter through 15 minutes or 5 minutes for confirmation. Then we rally down to the downside of 89.181. So that is what I'm seeing on this daily time frame. I gave a bearish bias and a bullish bias, so we don't need to start forcing the market. This is what we're expecting the market to do, and if the thing go according to the way we planned it, we just enter through it and take our trade. That is, we are not here to we are not here to show who is the best trader, who is this and that. No, we are only here to make profit. Everywhere we are here to make profit. So where the market is going, that's where we are also going. We are not trying to force anything in the market. And if you check for the bearish movement, we still have like 700 pips, 700 plus pips. If we can catch it, we'll catch it well. 700 plus, catch it well. And if it's a bearish, if it's a bullish signal, so from here to here, I guess it's like 600 or so. Another clean setup. It's not. So both of the setup are very nice. Just all we just need to do is set um, our stop loss below or above this strong resistance level. We just need to just set our stop loss below or above this level here, this psychological level. That is just what we just need to do. And we go for either 700 pips or 600 pips. Smooth deal. No, there's nothing to be afraid about in the market. So when we go to the 4 hour time frame, we can see this is a very pure trade. Don't worry about all this line. This is a very, very pure trade. Very, very pure trade. The market is still consolidating in that strong line. So once the market opens, we either wait for the market to move around, play around, or what we want to see for us to be confirmed that yes, this market is now going to the upside, is for you to break into this monthly trend line, retest it, then we'll come to maybe 15 minutes or 5 minutes, look for a nice entry, we'll enter for a bullish, and we'll take our profit here. Very simple and short. And if the market is consolidating, come down, we'll make sure that it breaks this weekly trend line. This weekly trend line, we'll test it. Enter through 15 minutes or 5 minute time frame. Look for a nice confirmation from those time frames. We enter for the sell side and we'll take our profit. Very simple and short. Almost this is 1:3 around. So it's a very simple trade. No hard feelings about the trade. The trade is just the way we want it to go, and we just need to just wait and be patient for it. That is just what I see on this AUDJPY. So that is my analysis for this week. And I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. You know, your we need your support also. So um, thank you for watching this video to the very end.